going to be working on this head here. And what we're going to do is we're going to shave this down so it's all smooth here, round this down some. Then we can mark it out and we can start our carving on it. So we're going to do that. I'm going to be using these rotary tools here. They're called a burr. So there's all kinds of different sizes you can get. We use this one here for shaving it down. I found these on Amazon, and these work really, really well. It's an 1/8 inch shaft. They got coarse and fine, and you can find all different types of these on Amazon. Kurtzall is the maker of them, and I find these work really, really well. It says when it starts to get gunked up there, to clean it, just take a soft wire brush and just brush it off, and this will get that stuff out of there. So these last a really, really long time. Other thing I got on there is I got this little sander, and I thought I'd try it. It was only $9, and it comes with these sanding discs, different sizes, a lot of sanding discs. The problem is these won't stick on here and stay on there, and as soon as it flies off, if you don't catch it, then you start to rub this down. So to me, this is just a waste of money. I don't use it. What I ended up doing is taking these and punching a hole through the center of this. Then I took one of my Dremel attachments and I screwed 3 or 4 at a time into here. So at least I can use these sanding discs. Those work really well by doing that. So I won't waste the discs, but that is a hole. Don't get it. It doesn't work. So we're going to start with this here, and we're going to use our shaver. Should always wear a dust mask. I sometimes forget. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll start with this here, and we're going to shave this down in here to even it up, and then we'll round it down a little bit with that also. You can see how we got this flattened out in here. We've taken some of this off in here to round it down some. So we're going to do the same with the other side, go all the way around the head here to get a little bit more roundness to it. You can see we got all our 7 pieces glued together. We got some screws in here to make sure it stays well. We have a screw here. These are 1 5/8. There's a screw there and a screw here, and you want to offset them so the back of the head doesn't flip. So whenever you have to get inside, if you have to get inside to make a repair, you take these 2 screws out and this back piece will just come off. You can get inside and do whatever you need to do. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.